Hi everyone, welcome back to another QBO tip. Last week we talked about trade-ins, specifically how to receive an item while creating a credit on your customer's purchase. This week I'm going to focus on branding, more accurately the use of logos in QBO. Some of you out there may have multiple different versions of your logo, and you may want to use them in QuickBooks Online. For example, you may have different logos for different locations. In this case, you may want to have customized invoices where each location has its own logo on the invoice. So how do we do this? Well, let's jump right into our test company and find out. Okay, back in good old Craig's Design and Landscape. Let's get this started by adding some logos. To do that, we just click on the little gear icon up at the top here, navigate over to Account and Settings, and it's going to pop you up into the company section. If you click into the onto the company logo and then onto the little plus icon, you have a little pop-up. Just click the little plus icon. Just like adding any other file, you can add a file and it will upload the logo. Once it processes, I can do another one. A little orange one for the season here. Wait for that to process and then we save. Now notice my orange one, that second one is the one that came up. It's going to default you to the last one that you uploaded. So the most recent logo is going to be your default one. You can click Save to save the section and click Done to get out of Accounts and Settings. Now we have new logos, and you can see my defaulted one up here on my dashboard. Now, if we're going to customize some invoices, we go back to the gear icon, over to Custom Form Styles, and then we just add a new style up here. Now I'm going to use an invoice, but it works the same way if you want to have multiple versions of estimates or sales receipts. So when I come in here, I'm going to just rename it Template 1 here to start with, and then I'm going to click Make Logo Edits here. So then I click the little plus icon again, and you see both of my logos pop up. So I can just click on the first one, the white one that I want. That looks nice. Template 1. I'm not going to go through all the other customization you can do. I'm just focused on the logos here. So once you have your logo in, you can click Done. It's going to load up. And now I've got Template 1 here. And I can do a new style and create an invoice. And this is the orange one. So we'll just call this Template 2. Actually, Template Orange. And I'm just going to click Done there. So now I have my two invoices customized. So I can come in here and I can create an invoice. And I'm going to use Diego because I picked on him last week too. I'm going to say we did some design for him. 5 hours to design. So if you click Customize down at the bottom here, you can see my two templates show up. So I can have Template Orange, and I can save, not save and close right now because I want to print preview this, and it needs to be saved to do that. So when I do that, notice I've got my not so great looking orange logo up here. I can X out of my preview. I can go back to Customize down here, and then I can go back to Template 1. Again, I can then save it so that I can print preview it. And now you see I have my white logo, the nice cleaner looking logo here. So that is how you can handle multiple logos within QuickBooks Online. So you have two different logos on different templates. I hope that helps you guys out. Thanks so much for watching.